ANDRITZ decanter centrifuges combined established brands. Ginat Centrifugation joined ANDRITZ in 1996. KHD Humboldt Wedag merged into Bird Humboldt, which joined ANDRITZ in 2004.
ANDRITZ Singapore has a long and close relationship with Singapore Public Utilities Board, and our equipment has been installed at 8 of the water treatment plants spread across the island for more than 23 years.
ANDRITZ is your true full-service provider from initial consulting through to service agreements, process optimization and training programs. We are always looking for ways to minimize downtime and increase predictability in operations while raising your overall production efficiency. Our customers trust in our products and services due to the strict standard and quality rules applying at ANDRITZ.
For decanters specifically, since the first commissioning of ANDRITZ decanters at Kranji in 1996, followed by Bedok, Ulupandan, Kim Chuan, Jurong water treatment plants, we have been providing emergency service, performing monthly preventative maintenance, supplying spare parts and complete overhauls on a total of 36 machines island-wide. Some of the plants have closed, but ANDRITZ Singapore still provides the same dedicated services for 26 ANDRITZ decanters at 3 PUB plants. In 2018, there was significant investment in the Singapore workshop and repair facilities. The developments that have been made set us apart as a regional service centre. They not only demonstrate our commitment to Singapore and continuous improvements, but also indicate the determination to provide the best possible service and support that ANDRITZ can provide and that PUB, as well as our other customers, expect.
Our service philosophy is simple. One phone call, one dedicated team that speaks your language and knows your equipment and process. This is not an empty promise. It is backed by a team of dedicated service engineers for maintenance and overhauling services, dedicated clean area for gearbox services and reconditioning. Whether you are looking to optimize or extend lifetime of equipment, our team can troubleshoot and perform maintenance of your machine on-site or repair, retrofit and modify your machine in our modern decanter service workshop.
I know that I speak for the entire ANDRITZ Singapore team when I say we are proud to be active and enthusiastic contributors to the success of the Singapore Public Utilities Board.